Measurement of the pile yarn mass per square yard is useful information in quality and cost control during manufacturing. Both appearance and performance can be affected by changes in the pile weight. Pile weight is a measurement of only the pile yarn per square yard and should not be confused with total weight, which includes backing components and adhesive. Other construction specifications such as stitch, gauge, pile height, and primary and secondary weight are economically determined when requested in conjunction with the pile weight. The Synthetic Turf Council guideline for pile weight is plus or minus 10%, but no more than minus 2 ounces per square yard of the manufacturer's specification. Individual test samples are selected in accordance with the manufacturer's quality control program or with the specification agreed upon between the purchaser and the supplier. The laboratory sample is a full width section of the turf from which test specimens are cut. Test specimens are conditioned in standard atmospheric conditions of 65% relative humidity and 70% Fahrenheit for 24 hours prior to testing. Test specimens are cut from the backing side and between the tuft rows. The precision cut test specimen is then weighed to the nearest 1/100th of a gram. From this data, total weight of the turf can be determined if needed. The technician then shears the face yarn, leaving the stubble height of approximately 5/100ths of an inch above the primary backing. The shorn sample is then weighed after the pile yarn on the face is removed. The portion of pile yarn remaining in the backing material is chemically and mechanically dissected, collected in a sieve, and thoroughly cleaned of adhesive, dried, and weighed. The weight of the buried yarn is added to the sheared yarn weight, and the total yarn in the product is reported as the average pile yarn weight.